Early Saturday morning, the quiet suburban neighborhood was slowly waking up as sunlight peeked through curtains. Kids were getting ready for their daily playtime adventures, while parents cherished the serenity of their weekend coffee. But little did they know, chaos was about to unfold. In the middle of Elm Street, Timmy, a mischievous 10-year-old with a penchant for pranks, was supposed to unveil his latest prank, an enormous inflatable toy monster he had convinced his friends to buy with their collective allowance. Ingeniously, Timmy had positioned the creature at the intersection, planning to release it in a controlled manner. His design was simple: shock the neighbors and earn the title of Prank King. As Timmy activated the electric pump, the inflatable monster started to rise. With each passing moment, it grew larger and more chaotic, its vibrant colors and cartoonish face coming into full view. Timmy giggled uncontrollably, imagining the faces of unsuspecting neighbors. Everything seemed under control until the wind picked up unexpectedly. The inflatable monstrosity began tugging against its tether with an unusual vigor. Timmy's eyes widened as he realized the string holding it down was about to snap. Before he could react, a gust of wind unleashed the toy from its restraint, and it began drifting rapidly down the street. Mrs. Thompson was the first to spot the runaway monster. After a bewildered glance out her kitchen window, she double-taked, rubbing her eyes. Meanwhile, Mr. O'Hara, jogging along the pavement, almost slipped upon the sight.